Okay, so I think it's just maybe a little bit ironic that I'm making a video about making a camera last all day with a battery, and of course the camera that I'm shooting with, the battery dies. Anyways, let's start over. Okay, so I think I've been overthinking how to shoot this video a little bit, so I'm gonna try and keep it short and relatively simple. This is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K Pro. That's a mouthful. This is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. Both cameras are really great. I use the 4K a little bit more right now, mostly just because I don't have the cage yet for the 6K. One of the things that I like to do a lot is shoot with them on a gimbal though. In particular, the new DJI RS2 gimbal, relatively new. So the thing with shooting with the Blackmagic cameras on the gimbal is you're gonna run out of battery life like right away, especially on the Pocket 4K. This camera's battery life sucks, and everybody knows it. On the 6K Pro, it's better, but not that much better. So rather than using the internal batteries, this is one of my favorite batteries. I know a lot of other people like this one. This is the Powerbase Edge battery. Especially with like the Blackmagic cameras, this has been really popular. And I think it figured out the perfect way to get that onto the RS2. So it's just gonna be two parts. The first one is a counterweight attachment. Tilta makes this one. I really like it a lot. It's got a whole bunch of these 1/4-20 screw attachments, as well as this cold shoe spot thing right here. There's another one on the bottom as well if you want to use it for other gear. There's a Small Rig also makes one that's pretty good. It's a little lower profile. I like that as well. And then the second piece of gear is going to be this Nicey Rig V-mount plate. So all you really need to do is take the 1/4-20 screws, screw it into the bottom, and before you tighten it down too much, you can slide this back and forth, which is really nice because you're going to be able to adjust the position of your battery so that it's right up against the sidearm. And that's going to really help with countering the weight of the Blackmagic cameras, which are wide and want to lean over to that left side. So now I've got the counterweight attachment on the V-mount plate. I'm just going to slide that onto the Manfrotto plate and just tighten it down. Now I can throw my camera on here if I want to. And now I'm just going to take this battery and slide it right on there. And that's pretty much it. So these parts are actually pretty cheap. I think the Tilta counterweight set is like $15, and then the Nicey Rig V-mount plate is like around $39. Tilta has also come out with an attachment that replaces this mounting bracket on the RS2 with another plate that has the V-mount attachment on the bottom of it. But they want $169. Kind of outrageous. I haven't tried out the V-mount bracket attachment from Tilta. I'm probably not going to, just because I don't really see any benefit to it. It does have a little, I think it's like it has a P-tap and some other type of power output attachment on it that's just a part of the plate. But I don't really see any kind of benefit really from that, because most of the V-mount batteries you're going to also have the little P-taps on there by themselves. Some of them also have USB like this one does. Again, I don't see a whole lot of benefit in the Tilta one. Anyways, if you like this video, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I don't think I'm going to do these kinds of videos regularly. I just thought this one would be kind of interesting. Since I thought this was kind of a novel solution. But anyways, I don't know. What do you think about this lighting? Is it too much? Is it YouTube enough?